Another internet connection. Another internet connection this early Sunday morning. We're getting ready, guys. There we go. Military-grade technology attacking our uploads once again. 7:22 a.m. Sunday, December 21st, 2025. We are focused. Military-grade technology. Instructions given on command signal for the individual at 5132 to park his vehicle away from camera view. See that? That's 5132, the gray truck. And the Candyman is still parked all the way over there. Candyman is parked in between those vehicles. And we have the female 5130. So there is activity. And Homeowner Martinez's son has been instructed to park a little further away than usual. Homeowner Martinez's son has been instructed to park right next to that tree all the way over there. After placing that garment on the little tree. Right there. See that? Okay, we're waiting. As you can see, the mail is full. The mailbox exchange continues at 5130. The mailbox are full. Pre-filled last night. 5130 West 24th Street, Laramie, Cicero, Illinois 60204. We are waiting. And it seems like activities are taking place. 7:24 a.m. 7:24 a.m. Sunday, December 21st, 2025. We are waiting for further developments. Let's see if we have internet connection. Let's see if we have internet connection. Let's see. Waiting. Let's see if we have internet connection. Let's see if we have internet connection, guys. Okay, let's have a look here. Chicago, Illinois. Military grade technology. Let's see what we can get here. Bam. Okay. Military grade technology. And you guys saw the beginning. There's been a change of heart. Obviously, this criminal organization is panicking, and they understand the power of social media. So the military-grade technology continues to be deployed right from next door. 5135 West 24th Street, Laramie, Cicero, Illinois 60204, to disable our internet service and failed uploads. Intentions are very clear. We are waiting for further developments, and so far it's pretty quiet. The bright light harassment continues coming from that window right there. We are waiting for further updates. Okay, let's see. So once again, 5132 is parked behind our window. And his wife is parked in front. See what a difference? 5132. Okay. I guess that's it, guys. You saw for yourself the military-grade technology. Change of heart. All right, moving on. Waiting.